Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Fanny. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple and easy way to make shampoo at home. So this is the shampoo I made at home. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe so that you don't miss any uploads from my channel. And also it has a lot of benefits. Watch till the end to find out how it lathers on my hair, because I went ahead and washed my hair with it. So watch till the end to find out the benefits and how to actually make a shampoo at home by yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video. These are the ingredients you're going to need to make this shampoo. You're going to need African black soap. These help to cleanse and heal the scalp. It also creates a healthy space for hair to grow by removing dandruff, dirt, and any other debris that can inhibit hair growth. You are also going to need glycerin. So any other oil you're going to add depends with your hair need. And I'm also going to add extra virgin olive oil. I'm also going to add almond oil. I'm also going to add neem oil. I'm also going to add lavender oil and essential peppermint oil. And I'm also going to add Alma oil. I'm going to talk about the importance of all these products you're adding in this mixture. And also you'll need a bottle applicator just to help you when washing your hair while washing your hair. So you're going to transfer this African black soap in a warm water. So depending on what you are going to use, I'm just going to use this bottle here. So you want to cut this soap in very small portions. These help the soap to dissolve faster. I'm going to leave it for 2 hours, but you can leave it as long as you can for the soap to dissolve. I'm going to start by adding extra virgin olive oil, which will increase hair growth, add moisture to hair, reduce hair damage, and also helps with dandruff. Then I'm going to add glycerin oil, which is humectant, meaning it can actually pull moisture from the hair and keep the hair hydrated and healthy. Then I'm going to add neem oil. Neem oil has a wide range variety of nutrients which help to restore dry and rough hair. Then I'm going to add Alma oil. Alma oil helps to stimulate hair growth, strengthen hair follicles, and add shine to hair. So these oils I'm adding are very important to the need of my hair. I'm also going to add almond oil, which is a very lightweight oil. It can easily penetrate to the hair and makes detangling very easy and promote hair growth. Then I'm going to add lavender oil. Lavender oil is packed with antibacterial properties which protect your scalp against bacteria, and it also prevents hair loss and enables hair growth. Then I'm going to add peppermint essential oil. This one is the best oil for hair growth. It promotes hair growth and prevents hair loss. So I just went ahead and added more glycerin, and I added more extra virgin olive oil. You want to go ahead and mix all this product together. African black soap can be very drying to natural hair if used alone. So that's why I've added some oils and some essential oil to help with bringing moisture to the shampoo. Remember, you can add any oil of your choice. It's not a must that you use the same oils that I've used. So if you have any oil, if you have any essential oil that suits your hair need, you can use them and you can add them. You can stir it well and leave it for 2 or 3 hours before you use. This was after 2 hours and our shampoo is ready. Let's go ahead and transfer it to the applicator bottle. This will help the product to, when I'm washing my hair, it will help the product to get easily into my scalp. I made enough shampoo for 2 washes, so I'm going to wash my hair with this, and the remaining ones I'll keep for the next week wash day. I'm just taking down the braids I had in readiness to go and wash my hair. My hair really needs a very good clarifying shampoo, and this shampoo is going to help me to remove any dirt, any build-up, any debris my hair has accumulated during the time I had this protective style on. So I always wash my hair on a protective style, so I went ahead and put my hair in a twist. Then I'm going to start by running my hair in water. Then I'm going to apply the shampoo. I just want you to see how the shampoo is and how actually it turns out to look like. So I'm just applying it direct on my scalp, because the products I've used, or the oils I've used, are very good for the scalp. So I'm just going to lather it around, and you can actually see how much lather I'm getting out of it. So the most important thing is you want to focus on your scalp, as the health of our hair starts from the scalp. So as you can see, I'm just making sure that I have it all over my scalp, and I'm just checking myself in the mirror which is in front of me. So you can see how much foam it has, and this is a very good shampoo for your hair. So I'm just going to do a normal wash day with this shampoo I've just made. Make sure you work on your scalp, and also make sure you massage your scalp while washing your hair, as this helps with the blood circulation, hence promote hair growth. So I'm just going to wash my hair, and I'm going to apply a conditioner. A conditioner helps to bring back the moisture your hair has lost during the time you are shampooing your hair. And if your hair needs a deep conditioner, you can also go ahead and do it, as deep conditioner helps to add extra moisture to your hair. So depending with the need of your hair, you can go ahead and do what actually works for you. So I'm going to use Shea Moisture and Manuka Honey conditioner, the one that I'm just showing you. I'm just going to apply a generous amount of this in my hair, and I'm going to cover it with a shower cap and leave it for 3 minutes. That's the direction of use on this product. And I must say, my hair was feeling so good and very clean after using this shampoo. So go ahead and try it, and let me know in the comment section below how you find it, how it did really with your hair. And if you don't know how to deep condition your hair, I did a video showing you how to. I'll leave it on the comment section below so that you can go and check it out. So I'm just trying to show you how my hair is and how clean my hair has come out. And my hair was really soft. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply a leave-in conditioner and apply oil to seal my hair, just to make sure my hair has the moisture back. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Thank you and bye bye.